Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to recover OnlyFans account. If you're trying to log into your OnlyFans account, but you've forgotten your password during the login process, then we can help you get out of the situation. The first thing to do is to open the OnlyFans application from your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and get to the OnlyFans website. Once you open the application or get inside the website of OnlyFans, go ahead and click on the Forgot Password link appearing in the login area. Now, enter the email address that is associated with your OnlyFans account. You will receive a password reset link to this email, so make sure to type in the correct email. Tap on the send button and check your email inbox for a temporary password reset link. Open up your mail and tap on the OnlyFans email that you just received. Click on the link given in the inbox and open up with the help of a web browser. Now, you can change to a new password. Type in the new password you would like to use for your OnlyFans account from now on. Make sure you enter it in the first text box. After entering a strong password, re-enter the password on the next field. Tap on Save once you are done. Now, you have successfully changed your password and you are also logged into your OnlyFans account. So that was how you can easily recover your OnlyFans account even if you've forgotten your login password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.